from my morning walk. I hope I don't scare these guys. Look how cute. Coming down to get a drink of water. I hope they don't come get me. Those are the big ones. There's a lot of goat tooting going on right now. I don't know if I should be scared.